Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Carmen. I'm going to share with you my haul from the Tokyo Pen Shop. This is a journal slash planner slash stationery haul that I got from them. So excited to share all the goodies in the bags with you. Also wanted to show you this is their packing slip, and I like that they actually wrote they wrote my name. So this is like a handwritten, not a stamp. So that's really nice, and it was actually pretty fast shipping as well. You can see the total price was $83.45, so that's a total for everything I'm going to show you. I don't remember the individual pricing, but you can look it up on their website. And if you're wondering why is it so much for just these little bags, it's because some of them are stamps, and really well-made stamps are not cheap, I'm finding out. So also I like this washi tape. It says thank you, merci, and I assume this is Japanese right here. If you know, I'll turn it around so it's right side up. If you know, leave it in the comments. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna set one of them over to the side a little and do these. Try not to destroy this washi tape. Definitely want to reuse that. It's really cute. So the first item is basically little stationery items in a stamp format. And so this is really cool. I'll be able to, stamp that out. You can color it in if you want to. I'm going to open each of these and actually try them out, but let me get through all the bags first. Same thing, another stamp. This is a cat, but you can write, a little note inside of the cat. And then this is a much bigger cat to, again, be able to write something in your planner or your journal, or just use as a decoration. So that's it for that bag. So I'll set that aside. And open the second one. I'll just leave that washi tape on for now and save that later. So this was the thing I was the most excited about in this order. Hopefully it will show up well. It's a rotating stamp, and it has all these different little cat. You can use these sort of to make a border. Again, I'll show this on camera. I'll test this out. And then I think the rest are washi and a sticker, so I'm just going to pour. Oh, a bonus. I got a Haichu bonus candy. That wasn't something I ordered, so I guess that's just a little freebie. And then I thought this was too cute. It's their little Tokyo Pen Shop. And this was not a freebie. I purchased that. I just thought it was adorable. That's their little mascot. And then this is washi tape. It's Snoopy and Charlie Brown, and they're in various scenes, but it's all sort of reading or relaxing themed. I love how Snoopy is across his lap. And it's also a much thicker than average. Like this is more of an average size. And here's the information on the back if you want to see that as well. But they're calling it masking tape, and this one is actually, I'm sorry, there's two rolls in here. That's right. So there's a roll that is this thin, and then there is a bigger roll. Here are the two rolls up close. This says Living the Sweet Life, and you've got some chocolate and some drinks and Charlie Brown and Snoopy. And this is a thin roll. So again, this is more of an average size washi roll, but a good thickness here. And then this is another one with Snoopy and Charlie Brown, and a similar theme though. And like this one says right here, a friendship like ours is worth all the money in the world. So sweet. Next up is washi tape with some little houses. Here's what the front and the back looks like. And then I'll open this one up as well so we can take a closer look. So it's just a little village, little buildings. I just thought this was really cute. Make a great liner for a planner or an accent to a journal. And then here is the next washi tape. This is the Peanuts gang, but they are sitting in movie theater seats, which is so sweet. Here are the Peanuts up close. And this is a really thick roll. And this is sort of standard washi tape. These two are pretty standard size for washi tape, but just so adorable. I love it. I even love the back of this stamp. I'm going to open up these stamps so that I can show you what they look like on the paper. I'll just use the back of the invoice here, do a little recycling or upcycling. I will definitely be using these. I am just so excited about these. Let me know in the comments if you're a cat person, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find the video, so I greatly appreciate it. And also, if you'd like to see more journaling and planning videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. Set the packaging aside here. So here is the cat sleeping. I love it. Wow. That is amazing. This is the first stamp of this type I have ever had, so that's why I'm wowing. That's just amazing how, like, I don't have to worry. The only reason it's not perfect is because I did it in the crease. The second time it's perfect. You don't have to mash hard. That's really impressive. Okay, that's a winner right there for sure. It's like I said, the nice stamps you end up paying a decent amount of money for, but they're really worth it. I've learned that the hard way. You know, you can get some cheap ones that don't matter depending on what it is, but if you're looking for something you're going to be using a lot, a good stamp, like they even show you an example of putting the day of the week in there. That's a good idea if you're doing a planner. I like both journaling and planning. Let me know in the comments if you're a journaler, a planner, what exactly you like to do that interests you in this video. That is really, really cool. If you can't see it, because I know I held it up, but it's all different types of art supplies and stationery supplies. And there's even a little notebook and ink pen. So cute. And then we'll do the cat. This one's opening easier. Some of these I've had to trim the tape. So this is another sleeping cat. Got some lazy cats. I think they sleep, it was like 18 hours, 16 hours. Let me know. Cats sleep a day. We've always had cats in the past. We don't right now, but we've throughout our life, we've usually had cats. So cute. Fair warning with this one, this takes some work to figure out, or it did for me. If you've used one like this before, leave me a comment and let me know, but this was a new one for me. At first I thought I had to use my own ink pad, but then I realized it came with the teeny tiny ink pad that required installation. The first set of directions I saw, I could not read, and I finally realized they do have English directions inside. And by the way, this is refillable with their ink here. But they do have English directions, but it was not, even with the English directions, not super simple, at least to me. But basically, you insert the ink pad up here following these directions. And I assume I need to take it out each time after using it to keep it from drying up. So I would use that as a warning. I'm not saying don't get it. I'm just saying it's more... So these are the teeny tiny cats that come out. So I mean, the idea is to make a border with them or something like that, like line something with it. And so they've got the different designs. You just manually spin it to change the design. That one says thanks. Looks like we're back around to the beginning. Pretty cool. I'll hold this up a little so that you can see it. Just to give a little review, first of all, like I said, the shop was so great to work with. This is pretty labor intensive for what it is. I don't know that I would use it that much, to be honest. It's not anything that wasn't advertised. It's just that having to put that tiny ink pad in and out, and I ended up getting ink all over my fingers, and it's oil-based ink. So I can't say I recommend this one. I just can't. But if you don't mind that, you would love it. The designs are adorable. The other thing is whatever you're seeing is not what's stamping. And I read the entire directions and I don't see any way to know what is stamping. And actually it might be the cats across here. I'll have to play with that. But yeah, that's the only one. Everything else I love, absolutely love, and would definitely recommend. If you'd like to learn more about journaling, junk journaling, and planning, definitely hit that subscribe button and click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.